In this video, I will be showing you downtown Denver. Good morning, beautiful fam. Today is our 4th day here. This is what it looks like out here right now after the 4th day. There's still quite a bit of snow. Look at that beautiful mountain over there. So the plan today is we're gonna go to downtown Denver. Let's go. Good morning, fam. Welcome to another travel vlog. What are we showing them?
We're gonna get it more.
We're gonna get it.
We're gonna go to Denver, downtown Denver, you guys.
Yeah.
Let's go. Fam, we're finally here in downtown Denver. So quick little story time. So we were gonna leave tonight. Our flight was supposed to be tonight, but it got canceled for some reason. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly why the airline canceled it. They just sent us a message or an email stating that they're canceling our flight. So we rebooked it for tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock in the morning. So all right, we're finally here at the restaurant. It's over there where Sig is at. We're gonna have brunch here, and then we're gonna walk around here in downtown. Let's get it. Here they are, you guys. We're here at Snooze Eatery. So I'm not sure if we can eat there because there's an hour wait because our group is so big. There's like 16 people, and not sure if they're willing to wait that long. Alright guys, so we're now here at the Union Station. Is over there. But anyway, we're here now at the Union Station. We're gonna check out the other Snooze restaurant because, like I said earlier, the first restaurant that we went to, we couldn't get in because there are too many of us. So hopefully we can get in here. Let's get it. What up, what up, what up?
Downtown Denver. Gonna eat the Snooze.
So tell me about this place, bruh.
I only know that they're a restaurant chain and they have one in Tustin Market near Irvine. So let's get it.
So are we gonna get it?
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get a lot.
Getting it.
Getting it.
So I guess there's another wait. Mike, how long is the wait, bruh? But our name is already on the list.
3,000 years.
So yeah, while waiting for our table, I'm just walking around here, trying to check this place out again. I've been here before, but it's nice to be back here again. Let me show you real quick. This is the Union Station, just outside of Union Station.
Could it be different? Could we be different? 'Cause I'm not so young. 'Cause I'm not so young. So young. I will try. I know this hard.
All right, fam, so I'm about to go inside the Union Station right now. Let me show you what's inside.
Well, you said, honey, here we go again. You tell me we're just friends. But then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at. 'Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. All these thoughts are just running wild. You treat me so bad, but then you love me right. I can't get this.
All right, fam, so we're just chilling here in the Union Station, inside Union Station. Wow, this station is so cool, you guys, compared to like LA. This is so clean. This is like a hotel lobby. Look, check it out. Well, you must have already.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Say subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe. Let's punch you.
Anyway, Yeah, check this out, guys. It looks like a freaking hotel lobby. Looks pretty dope. Okay, guys, finally got our coffee. We got it from this place over here. And we're gonna try and enjoy this coffee. We're gonna go back there where we were sitting earlier while waiting for our table. All right, let's get it. Mides, how's your coffee?
Bomb diggity. What did you get?
I got white chocolate mocha.
I got the cappuccino.
All right, guys, we're finally seated after like an hour of wait. This is the crew. Guys, finally our food came up after like 45 minutes of waiting. So we waited like an hour before we got seated, and then we had to wait again another 45 minutes for our food to come.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down. I don't know.
Hey guys, so we just finished eating at this Snooze restaurant. So we're gonna start walking around. We're actually gonna go to another place. It's called Biker Gym. They have really good hot dogs, I guess. I guess it's pretty famous over here, so we're gonna eat some more. Let's go. All right, fam, so we're gonna walk a mile away from where we're at, and so far everything's really nice here. Everything's pretty clean except for the muddy snow earlier. I didn't get to film it, but they're all over there. So yeah, we'll keep walking. Let's go. Guys, so there's the sign, Anthony Bourdain. Better be good. So wait, what'd you say about this place, bro?
This is Biker Gym, and it's been featured in Anthony Bourdain's Nose Reservation and the Bizarre Foods of Andrew Zimmern. So we'll try it out, see if it's good. This is all it says here too, the best thing I ever ate.
Well, it better be good. We walked like a mile just to get here. Let's go.
Let's go.
Which one is that?
Ostrich.
Okay. What do you think? LA hot dog is dirty. LA hot dog is better.
Which one's better?
This is better.
Yeah, it's ostrich.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. That's around us.
What do you think?
Oh my god, it's good.
All right, guys. It's my first time trying this high-rated hot dog here in Denver. Here at Biker Gym, this is the ostrich hot dog. Let's see how it tastes. Good. Really good. What do you think? It's good? Which one is that?
The rattlesnake and rabbit.
Tell me an honest truth. What do you think of the hot dog?
I don't like it.
Me too. Tell me your honest review. Do you like it?
It's okay. Rattlesnake and rabbit. That's okay.
All right, fam. So we just finished eating there at the Biker Gym's restaurant. We tried a few things. Not gonna lie, I really didn't like it that much. I don't know. It's not my thing. I like dirty LA hot dogs better. Maybe because I'm cheap like that. It's a little overpriced here. I was expecting that it was gonna be really good, but yeah, LA dirty hot dog is better, you guys. But hey, it's worth a try. If you're ever in Denver, yeah, come check it out and let me know what you think. Let me know if it's good or not. Let me know if you liked it. Comment down below. Alright, fam, we're walking back towards the car now. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here now. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Don't forget to click that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Diba? Deuces.